Introducing Leopard Imaging's Holoscan camera solutions. Built for next-generation edge AI and perception data processing and connectivity with high bandwidth and GPU direct access on NVIDIA Jetson platforms. We offer high-performance 10GB network cameras with embedded sensor bridge technology, designed for seamless integration to NVIDIA Jetson. And for developers, our Holoscan camera evaluation kits make it easier than ever to get started with plug-and-play edge AI applications. All our perception solutions are fully compatible with NVIDIA, AGX Orin, IGX Orin, and Thor platforms, optimized for low-latency data capture and accelerated AI performance. To integrate seamlessly, our cameras deliver robust connectivity between sensors and computing platforms, empowering high-performance applications. These Holoscan-enabled cameras are ideal for advanced robotics, autonomous machines, medical imaging, and industrial AI, delivering the performance needed for tomorrow's most demanding applications. Leopard Imaging offers a complete portfolio of Holoscan-enabled perception solutions. Learn more at leopardimaging.com/holoscan.